Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video we'll again continue our discussion with questions from the ISI Mstat PSA 2020 paper. So the question that we'll be dealing with in this particular video is question number 6. So we'll take a look at that and subsequently we'll try and solve the same. Okay, so let us simply take a look. Okay, so let's take a look. X equal to 1 by 2, so root 3 1 minus 1 to 3, and a equal to 2 minus 1 3 root 3. So let xt denote the transpose of matrix X. If b equal to x a xt, then that is transpose of t, then xt b to the power 105x is equal to. Okay, so let's take a look. So what do we have here? So so we have b equal to x axt. Okay, so this is what's given. So this, if I write the same, plus 3 minus 2 2 root 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 3n 2 minus 3 root 3 minus 6. Okay, so this can be further written as 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3 3 3n minus 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so which can be further written as 2 by 4 2 plus root 3 minus 3 minus 2 root 3 5 minus 2 root 3 and minus 2 minus root 3, or 1 by 2 2 plus root 3 minus 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 and minus 2 minus root 3. So this is what we have here. Now if we continue with the same, so t can be written 1 by 2 3 minus 1 3. So therefore again xt can be written as 1 by 4 row and 0 4. Okay, which can be again further written as 4 by 4 1 0 0 1, or which is identity matrix. So this gets cancelled, so this will be I again. So xa, if we further write the same, so 1 by 2 root 3 minus 3 minus 2 2 plus 3 root 3 1 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this is what we have. Again, if we take a look at b square, so b square can be written as 1 by 4 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 3 minus 4 root 3. This is 4 plus root 3 minus 4 minus root 3 minus 12 minus 7 root 3 12 plus 12 plus 7 root 3 and minus 3 minus 4 root 3 plus 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, So this is what we have. So this and this value gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. 12, 12, 7 root 3, 7 root 3, 4 root 3 and 4 root 3. So here what we can get is b square equal to 1 by 4. So 4, 0 and 0, 4. This is what we have. So which can be again further written as 1, 0, 0, 1, which is nothing but I, or the identity matrix. So therefore we have b square. So if we take a look at b105, this can be written as b square to the power 52 into b. So that is b105 or I 52 b. Okay, this is nothing but x a x t. Okay, so therefore xt b105 into x can be simply written as xt bx or xt a tx, or simply identity matrix A into identity matrix or A, which is a final answer. So option B. So I hope this thing is clear. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. So thank you so much.